What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Predictor Aviator on your iOS, iPhone or Android device. Super easy, guys. I discovered this earlier this morning because I was searching, as you can see, on my laptop, but I've managed to find a method how to do it on your mobile phone. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you're on an iPhone, like I am here, or if you're on Android. You can download Predictor Aviator for completely free on your iOS or Android device, and it's super easy, guys. This is going to allow you with 99% accuracy to predict the next win, basically, on Predictor Aviator. So on the Aviator betting game. So let's get into it, guys. You need to basically use your mobile phone. And if you're using your iPhone, step one is to just make sure your low power mode is turned off. So if this is turned on, turn it off, because you're going to need the background app refresh to be working for this Predictor Aviator app to give you accurate results. So once you've done that, open up your internet on your mobile phone, and you need to go to the following website, guys: www.speedy, so SPEEDY, plugin, PLUGIN.com. So just go to this website here, and as you can see, this is basically an app store with tons of modded applications, and it's working on iPhone as well as Android. So go to the search bar here and just type in Predictor, there we go, Predictor Aviator, and it says here, click to get Predictor Aviator for free on iOS and Android. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to get this on your phone here at the top, you can see, click on this button. And this is going to start the process of getting you the app on your phone. So if this is your first time on Speedy plugin, you're going to see this screen here, and this is basically going to unlock and get you the install on your phone, the plugin. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to get your free plugin. And it takes 30 seconds. This verifies you're not a robot. So pretty self-explanatory, guys. You need to complete 2 tasks on this screen here. They're all completely free, and there is a description telling you how to complete each one. So choose 2 tasks. Whatever tasks you see will be super easy. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And once you've done that, guys, your app will be installed, and you can go ahead and start predicting the next results on the Aviator game. I will say, guys, this is 99% accurate, so be safe when you're gambling. No one needs to be going all in, because there is still that 1% chance the Predictor Aviator app is incorrect. But go to speedyplugin.com and search for it in there, and that is how you can get download Predictor Aviator on your iOS and Android device. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.